Again, ladies and gentlemen, isang malakas na pagkakas for the as long as they are in a wonderful setting, so para namin ang mga nagaganda sa ating harapan. There is a certified gold record artist and a young hit maker. His voice on YouTube has a total number of 50 million views and still counting. This singer